All right, so that is the results of the weld. Let's see if I can get this on a little bit better. I might cut that apart, I don't know. But it looks like it sealed pretty well. The thing that you can't really see is that is still kind of a liquid in there. I was rolling that around a little bit, and there was still some glue and primer kind of swirling in that little gap. But I would say that yeah, if you chamfer it and got a decently square cut, you probably can use the shoulder as a good measurement. I'll get to the measurements here in just a second.